to MCQ session in 15th group. Choose the metalloid from the following elements. In the given, the antimony is metalloid. In 15th group, arsenic, antimony are supposed to be metalloids. The tendency towards multiple bond formation is maximum for the first element in any period, say nitrogen in this case. Phosphide ion has the electronic structure similar to that of, it has 18 electrons like chloride ion, option 3. Both BF3 and NF3 are covalent compounds. BF3 is non-polar and NF3 is polar because BF3 is trigonal planar symmetric molecule with 120 degrees bond angle, whereas NF3 is a pyramidal molecule with a measurable amount of dipole moment, though it is very low when compared with ammonia. Answer to this question is the option. Phosphorus in HPO3 molecule, in any oxyacid of phosphorus, the phosphorus undergo sp3 hybridization. Amongst the following basic oxide down a group, basic nature oxides increase. Given for hydroxide, metal hydroxides are basic, non-metal hydroxides are acidic. For sixth question, A is right option. The ease of hydrolysis of trichlorides decreases down the group. NCl3 readily undergo hydrolysis to give ammonia and HOCl, whereas PCl3 on hydrolysis gives phosphorus acid and HCl, whereas antimony and bismuth chlorides undergo hydrolysis to give their oxychlorides and HCl. Which of the following is the strongest oxidizing agent? N2O5 is the best oxidizing agent. As you go down, the ability drops. Which one has lowest boiling point amongst the hydrates of 15th group? PH3 has lowest boiling point because relatively low molecular weight and no hydrogen bonding. The chemical formula for tartar-emetic in the given lot, tartar-emetic is that which causes vomiting and you ingest poison, and also when you have helminthic file of worms, tartaric-emetic is given to generate vomiting. It can be the tartaric acid, antimony oxide, or sometimes antimony fluoride. Option is C. Which of the following is basic in nature? As we stated, metal hydroxides are basic. In the given lot, C is basic. SbF5 is a fluorinating agent for non-metal compound. Sometimes it is called as Swart reagent. It is used in organic chemistry to convert the organic iodides or chlorides into fluorides. Which of the following arrangement of molecule is correct on the basis of their dipole moment? The dipole moment actually is ammonia is much greater than NF3, whereas BF3 has zero dipole moment, option D. The correct sequence of decrease in the bond angle, as you are going down in the group in hydrates, bond angles drop. Answer is anti. A. Which of the following is explosive and readily hydrolyzed? All nitrogen halides other than NF3 are explosive, hydrolyzable, unstable. Answer is B. N forms NCl3, whereas P can form both PCl3 and PCl5, obviously due to the presence of empty d orbitals in phosphorus but not in nitrogen. Answer is A. Others are wrong. And now we are looking at next question. Yeah. The correct order of bond angles, as you are going down a group, bond angles drop. Here it is a lateral movement. For this question, the correct order of bond angles is shown in option C. H2S bond angle is nearly 90 degrees, ammonia 107, SaH4 109 degrees 28, BF3 120. If you know hybridized state of central atom, you can work out. For 18th question, AS2O3, SaO2, P2O3, SaO2. The correct order of acidic strength in periodic table, left to right oxides acidic strength increase. SO2 is most acidic and AS2O3 is least acidic. You can see the best option in the given is naturally D for donkey. And the decreasing values of bond angles for ammonia to SbH3 down the group of 15th period elements, 15th group elements of periodic table is due to the decreasing value of bond angles. You can easily guess that it is due to decreasing electronegativity and involvement of pure orbitals and increase in size of central atom. All the three contribute to decrease bond angles. Which of the following has the highest proton affinity? Highest proton affinity means best base. Ammonia is the best base. Proton affinity is shown by Lewis base, which can donate electron pair. Match list 1 with list 2. Obviously, if you use common sense, you know that in the lot PH3 has lowest boiling point and BiH3 has highest. The right match 21 corresponds to B. Please check yourself. 22 question. The correct increasing order of acidic nature of oxides. As the number of oxygens increase, acidic nature increases. So for 22nd question, P is the best answer. Both N2O and NO are neutral oxides, not soluble in water. N2O5 is strongly acidic, it dissolves in water to give nitric acid. Answer is B. In which of the following arrangements the sequence is not strictly according to the property given? Examine this question. And if you look at the first one is acidic strength, obviously A is correct. The second one is basic strength, B is wrong. The third one is first ionization enthalpy, perfect. The fourth one is